Let's say you have 10,000 dirhams to invest in the UAE. Where would you invest to gain the most gains? In this video, we shall discuss the top 3 ways to invest 10,000 dirhams in assets where the gain is maximum. The goal is to maximize profit through investing in profitable assets. Now, what are profitable assets? ETFs are considered good investment by financial analysts these days. Don't go anywhere, watch till end and subscribe. You will definitely learn something new from this video. The number one option is mutual funds and exchange traded funds. I'm making this video for someone who is new to investing and stock market and financial education. I will explain you in simple words few financial terms which are hard to understand. So mutual funds and exchange traded funds are among the most popular investments and it's easy to see why. Choosing your own stocks and bonds might be difficult. It is nearly impossible to decide which stocks to invest in without first monitoring the market and having a basic understanding of finance. We have made a dedicated video and in that video there are 4 steps through which you can decide which stocks are highest paying dividend stocks. Do watch this video to analyze the highest paying dividend stocks in the UAE if you are interested in investment in stock exchange. So back to the topic. The interest rate in mutual funds is generally around 6% on average for long-term investments. Let's first understand what actually happens in mutual funds and ETF. In case of a mutual fund or ETF, you have to choose the fund and then the fund decides which stocks to invest in on your behalf. These funds have managers who use their knowledge and experience to build a portfolio that they believe will perform well. Now let's see the risk involved in mutual fund and ETF. First thing to consider is investment fee. Whenever you are investing in mutual fund or ETF. Mutual fund charge a higher investment fee of 1% to 3% of your investment either when you buy the fund or when you sell it. So this is one drawback attached to mutual funds. But still if you are considering to invest in mutual funds, there are some famous or you can say best performing mutual funds in the UAE that will help you earn profit with low degree of risk. One is Dun Capital, second is Scottish Mortgage and third one is Fundsmith Equity. Now, if we look at ETFs, let me again make it clear that I am making this video for someone who is new to stock market and investing. Before we talk about index-based ETF, it is important to understand the word index. Index in financial terms is a bunch of different investments grouped together to show how well a specific part of the financial world is performing. This financial world can be like a market or industry. The index helps us see the overall performance of that particular area. ETFs are almost always index-based. ETF usually follow a certain list of big companies like the top 100 or 500 companies. For example, you must have heard the word S&P 500. If you invest in S&P 500, it means you are investing in major US companies and the US economy as a whole. You can also invest in ETF that track indexes for different countries, industries like energy or finance, and a variety of other sectors. Let's talk about the risk involved in ETF. ETF have no minimum investment and very low trading fees. This makes it simple to spread your 10,000 dirham investment across multiple ETF that track various industries, regions and sector. You must have heard the quotation, don't put your all eggs in one basket. ETF is a perfect example for this quotation. You can diversify your portfolio. Technology ETFs were the best performing funds in the 2023 and that was because of the boom in AI. The top performing ETF of 2023 was the iShares Expanded Tech Software Sector ETF and the return on this ETF was 55.22%. So if you are interested in ETF, you can check out Sarva app, Interactive Broker and Saxo Bank. These are some favorite choices in the UAE. The second option to invest 10,000 dirhams is the real estate crowdfunding. Crowdfunding in simple words is a pool of funds for a specific project related to real estate. With crowdfunding, you don't have to be rich to invest in a major project. You can look at various properties and choose which one to invest in. Some projects may be purchasing properties for rental income, while others will buy properties, renovate them and sell them for a profit. There is sometimes a combination of the two where investors will renovate a property, rent it out for a time and sell it for a higher price. And we all know that the advantage of investing in real estate is that it tends to increase in value over time. But there is also a risk involved to crowdfunding and it's that you cannot withdraw your money once it has been invested. You have to wait for the project to be completed and the funds to be paid out. So in this type of investment, you have to be a little bit patient. You also need to figure out the minimum investment requirement for the project. Some may require 500 dirhams or even go as high as 5,000 dirhams. If you are interested in real estate crowdfunding, check out the Smart Crowd platform. Smart Crowd is a platform where you can earn rental income by investing only 500 dirhams. If you are interested in crowdfunding real estate investment, you can type yes in the comment. We will make a specific video on this topic as well. If you are still watching the video, please like the video and subscribe for more interesting money making and passive income ideas. Third option for investing 10,000 dirhams is also related to real estate, and it is called Real Estate Investment Trust, REIT. REITs are companies that own or finance income producing real estate across a range of property sectors. To put it simply, you can make an investment in real estate, but it is income generating real estate. So there is double profit. You will also get the income that is generated by the property you own, and in future the value of the property will also increase. The most important advantage of a REIT is the dividend income. REITs are required to pay a minimum of 90% of their annual income in dividends. Across the industry, this works out to an average return of 11.8% per year. If you are interested in this type of investment, you can consider Emirates REIT, which is the UAE's largest listed Sharia compliant real estate investment trust. Most financial analysts recommend investing in this category with a minimum of 3,000 dirhams. You can check the Emirates REIT website. That is all for today's video. I try to make it as simple as possible. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you want a detailed video on any of the topics discussed in this video, you can write in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on money making and passive income ideas in the UAE in particular and money making in general. You can also watch this video. It is also related to investment ideas in the UAE. That's all for now. Take care.